Shirley Horton, born c. 1952, is a U.S. politician, having served as a Republican member of the California State Assembly. Horton represented the 78th Assembly District, which includes southern San Diego, Chula Vista, Lemon Grove and Spring Valley. She won election to her office in 2002 and was re-elected in 2004 and 2006. She was previously Chula Vista's first Asian American mayor. Horton was born in Japan, while her father was in the U.S. Navy, but grew up in South San Diego County, California. She attended Robert E. Lee Elementary School in Paradise Hills, O'Farrell Junior High School, and Bonita Vista High School. She received her bachelor's degree major in accounting from San Diego State University in 1976. She ran her own property management business until elected to the California State Assembly. Horton began her career in politics as a member of the Chula Vista Planning Commission. In 1994, she was elected mayor of Chula Vista, then re-elected in 1998 with 72% of the vote. After serving 2 terms as mayor of Chula Vista, 1994-2000, Horton was elected in 2002 to the California Assembly. In 2004, the 78th Assembly District was the #1 targeted seat for both the Democratic and Republican parties. Horton was re-elected to the California State Assembly after barely beating her Democratic opponent, Patty Davis. In August 2006, Horton was the only Republican to vote for the landmark global warming legislation, AB 32, the California Global Warming Solutions Act of 2006. In November 2006, Assemblywoman Shirley Horton was re-elected to her 3rd term in office. Horton did not run for re-election in 2008 due to term limits. She was succeeded in the California State Assembly by Democrat Marty Block. In January 2009, Horton was named president of the San Diego Downtown Partnership, a business and civic advocacy organization. External links. Official website. References.